You're watching Viva La David. We all watch him because he's a hot mess. What will he say next? What will he talk about? Tune in and subscribe, or he will cuss you out.
Yes, divas, I'm back. I know it's been a while. I know I say that every time, but really I have been busy. I've been so busy. I just finished a gig that had me working 7 days a week, and I'm going to be starting a new one, which I'm not able to say what it is, but I'm going to be starting a new one November 10th. That's also going to have me working like crazy, which is a blessing. I'm so happy for it, but that's why I've been busy. But I have been getting your emails. I'm checking in right now because of Mission Don't Be a Fat Ass. It's been a while since I've checked in, but I've been getting your emails. You've been tweeting me, twitter.com/David Singletary. You guys have joined on to Mission Don't Be a Fat Ass, and it's been so inspiring. I'm so glad you guys are doing well, and I'm still on it. I'm still eating right. I'm still exercising, and what I'm coming with you guys today is a new element of Mission Don't Be a Fat Ass. Like I said before, most of my exercising has been predominantly running. I've been running for like an hour to an hour and a half outside every day, or when I can, because I've been busy. But I don't know if any of you have gone from being really, really fat to still fat but not as fat. But honey, you get cold. I used to be outside when I was fat, you know, in a t-shirt in the snow, and I was like, oh, I'm cool. Now it gets like 50 degrees, and I'm like, is there a nip? I'm like a little bitch. I don't know what happens, but I get cold now. It's crazy. So I can't run in the snow. It's not going to be a cute look on me. Not only that, but I feel like my body has gotten used to this kind of exercising, so I need to switch it up. So what do? You join a gym, which is very intimidating. I've never joined a gym before. You know, certain jobs as performers, you do get access to gyms, which is really them telling you, don't be fat. You need to fit in your costume, work out, which I clearly ignored because I was fat. And I just said, well, you need to make my costume bigger, don't you? So I'm joining a gym in New York City where models run free and frolic. And I did the whole thing. I took the tour. It was very intimidating. The people are there pumping iron. Everyone looks like a model. There was some girl who had her leg to her ear just saluting, her vagina everywhere. I was very intimidated, but I was like, I'm going to do it because they have classes, which I'm really scared about. I really need to take these classes, but are you guys taking them? There's Pilates and yoga and spinning. I'm really scared of spinning because they're intense. They're like, come on, girls, or guys, come on. I can't. I hope I don't have to leave the class. And then tomorrow, I'm meeting with a trainer. Now, maybe it's just me, but I don't do well with male authority figures. Maybe it's because I didn't have a father, you know, around all the time, but men in authority positions, if he yells at me, if I wanted a man yell at me, then I would join the army. If he yells at me, I will, how about you don't yell at me when I'm paying you? So, you know, easy does it, sir. I'm going in there with a terrible attitude. No, I really, I just hope that he gives me some things to work on, some form, you know, push-ups. I can't do push-ups. I have the upper body strength of a bulimic teenage girl on heroin. So I'm hoping to change all that by joining this gym. So really I'm just kind of checking in with you guys because you guys really have inspired me and to see how you're doing. Are you guys eating right? Do you guys belong to gyms? Am I alone here? Is spinning really as scary as it is? I'll come back and tell you guys how it goes, but I was really just checking in to see if you haven't added me to Twitter, add me. If you guys are doing well, leave it down below. Tell me how you're doing. I miss you guys, and I'm going to be coming back with some how about you don'ts. But until then, remember, a hot mess is a beautiful thing. Bye, guys.